My name is Natalie, and today I'm going to be talking about a dance lesson on weathering and erosion. In this lesson, we will describe one type of physical weathering or erosion, and we will represent this through innovative physical movements. So we should have already had a lesson where we learned about the difference between weathering and erosion and what different types of weathering and erosion exist. You should have also filled out a worksheet where you identified 3 key details or facts about one type of weathering or erosion that interested you. You're going to use that information today to inform what your dance will look like. Let's reflect on the difference between weathering and erosion. Remember that weathering is the breaking down of a rock, and erosion is just the movement of a rock or parts of a rock. This can be created through temperature change, by plant life, gravity, and most commonly, wind, water, and ice. When you present your dance today, you're going to use an introductory statement where you introduce yourself and explain which type of erosion or weathering you're going to be describing with your dance. I'm going to go ahead with an example where I have selected the weathering type of ice or freeze-thaw weathering. So my introductory statement for this would be, my name is Natalie and my weathering type is ice or freeze-thaw weathering. Let's reflect on freeze-thaw weathering, where a rock like this has some water go into the crack. The water goes in, and when it freezes, the water expands and pushes the rock apart. And then when the ice melts again, there's a big crack. We can see that the weathering is caused by the ice taking up more space than the water. And that is ice weathering or freeze-thaw weathering. So when I was creating my dance, I had to think, how can I represent that water and ice with my body? So I came to the conclusion that it would be good to start small like the water and get big like the ice and do the same thing twice to show that there is space left. So now that we know what my dance is and what it represents, I'm going to give you my example of my performance. Hi, my name is Natalie and my weathering type is ice or freeze-thaw. So through that physical movement, you can see that I, as water, came into a crack and was small. I got bigger and I got smaller, and that's how I can represent ice or freeze-thaw weathering through my body. So consider for yourself, how can you represent your selected type of weathering or erosion through your body?